Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent Support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up on registration email with Postmark. Once you're logged into your AEvent account, please open your timeline and click on Integrations. Look for Postmark. Click on this toggle switch to enable Postmark for your timeline. Let's click on the gear icon to open the integration settings. Enable Send Email on registration by toggling this switch. Click on Edit to modify the on-registration email. In the Edit Email window, put in your email address, put in your name, and your preferred subject. Let's go ahead and modify the body. Click the personalization icon to add personalization values to your email. Let's add the registrant's first name. Under the subscriber column, select first name. It will automatically populate the registrant's first name. Let's also add the join URL. Click on the icon again, and under subscriber, select join URL. Don't forget to put in your name. You can also add an emoji. Let's add a simple smiley emoji. There you go. Once you're finished reviewing it, click on Save Email, and then don't forget to update settings so all your changes are saved. You can also tick this box if you want to collect engagement metrics. We have successfully set up on registration email for Postmark. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.